Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your headphones EDIFIER STAX S5 from your Android device. You have to start by open Settings and then go to Connected Devices or the Bluetooth. At the device list, click the Settings icon or Information icon near to your headphones. And right here at the right side we have a button called Disconnect, and you need to tap at this button. But before I tap on it, I will tell you the difference between Disconnect and unpair. So when you select to disconnect and tap at this button, you will stop Bluetooth connection with your headphones, but leave it at the device list. And if you select to unpair your headphones, you tap at the forget button, and you will totally remove your headphones from your phone. Now let me tap at the disconnect button, and as you can see, I just stop Bluetooth connection but still have these headphones at the device list, and I can easily reconnect these headphones by just tap on it. But if these headphones turn on and do not connect it with another device, but there is dual connection, so you can also connect two devices to these headphones if this option available. Turn on your phone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!